Look at this. This is not just a food eaten, it's a culture icon. A staple of convention and a global obsession. We eat over 50 billion burgers a year in the USA alone. But how did this simple combination of ground beef, cheese, and buns go from a humble Germany dish to the undisputed king of fast food? Was it invented at a fair by a sailor in the castle? Today, we are sinking our teeth into the complete 12-minute history of the hamburger, from the Mongolian steppes to your favorite drive through. Prepare for the epic journey of the world's most famous sandwich. Let's go! The ancient roads, horsemen and meat patties. Before there was a burger, there was simply ground meat. We have to go back to the 13th century and the Mongol horsemen of Genghis Khan. These warriors spent day in the saddle and to the softened thawed meat. They had placed a scrape of raw beef under their saddle. They would later mince this meat and eat it, season it as a form of sustenance on the go. It was the original fast food from the Wild Army. As the Mongol Empire expanded westward, this idea of minced, sometimes spiced meat traveled. By the time it hit Russia, it evolved into what we know as a steak tartare, a dish of ground beef. But to get to the true hamburger, the key destination is the important European port city of Hamburg, Germany. The German connection, the Hamburg steak. In the 19th century, Hamburg merchant and cook took that Russian concept of raw minced meat and adapted it. They started grinding high-quality local beef, seasoning it, shaping it into patties, and crucial, cooking it. This has become known as the Hamburg steak. Hamburg steak was seen as a hearty, affordable delicacy, but didn't become a sensation until it crossed the Atlantic. In the mid-1008, a huge wave of German immigrant sailed to America, landing primarily in New York City. Restaurant catering to this new arrival started listening to the Hamburg steak on their menu. We see it appear in the 1830 and 40. It was usually served on a plate, often with gravy or potatoes. At this stage, it was still just a steak, not yet a sandwich. The American birth, the sandwich solution. The next pivotal step was putting the patty between two slices of bird. This is where the historical debate truly began. Everyone agrees this is happened around the turn to the 20th century. But who was first? There are four primary claimants, each with complaining if improvements too. There is Louis Lassan of New Haven, Connecticut, who claimed he created the first hamburger sandwich in 1909. 900 by serving a ground beef patty between two slices of toast to the customer in hurry.